All right. I didn't make the goal of getting that whole trunk pan in, but we're making progress. So today we're gonna go back, and my cameraman is here doing a great job. We got a new tool, what is that? What do you think? Call it a holder?
Yeah, it's like a holder for
Yeah, holder for the phone. And follow me. Oh, did I say welcome to Heavy Metal Restorations? I didn't, did I? Well, there, I just did. So, all right, let's go. Let's get some cutting done. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be cutting on, what we're cutting out. And it's going to be good stuff, Maynard. We'll get the extension cord here. Plug that in. Hi, buddy. Got the wheel. Oh, I owe Harbor Freight an apology. In the last video, last week, I bought these Hercules. What did I do with them? I don't know. Anyways, I bought these Hercules cutting wheels, and I was having a little issue because there was like a coating on it that I had to burn off before it would really start to cut. And I said they were junk. They're not. They work good. Matter of fact, I'm going to go buy some more from Harbor Freight. So, just a little shout out to Harbor Freight. All right. Now, I think you might have to go on the other side and look in this way. You want to go around that way? That's all right. So we're going to be in here cutting all this rust out. Okay. And yeah, you gotta learn how to plug this stuff in sometimes, you know. Aha. There, I got it. Let's move this out. You might want to back up a little bit, maybe. There you go. And we don't need to cut on the wiring harness, do we? You put this out of the way. This actually goes up the other side of the road. Okay. Now we got to get in here. Show me what I'm going to be cutting on. So the goal is to cut out this section, that section, and a little bit here. And you know what? Let's do this. You stay right here. Let me go get a light. I get the light. Put a little something on there so we can see it. Whoa. Got to unplug it first. All right. Woo. There, see? I got the light. Okay. Might want to back up just a little bit there, cameraman. There you go. Awesome. Let's get cutting. All right, got it kind of started here. Look at that. Uh-oh. Yep, still connected, isn't it? Let's work it. Aye. Careful, metal can be sharp. All right, we got the first piece cut out. Let's check out the hole. See it? Oh, it's supposed to go through. All right, there's that. Now, let's cut out this piece here. Oh man. All right. Let me get a screwdriver. I want to pry that up. Do 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 do. What? You okay? Cameraman, we got a new tool, so we're trying it out. So I'll do my best at editing it all together so it looks good. Right? All right. I just wanted to... All right, let's cut it out. Huh. All right. Aha. All right. Well, we'll get that out. So, with that being done, now we'll take my replacement panel right here, and guess what? We're going to slice and dice this up. So, as I'm doing that, let's go ahead and let's stop the video. Not yet. Oh, I almost got you. Let me do the trace. I'll cut it, and then as I fit it, we'll get the next one will be me fitting the panels into the spots I just cut out. All right? All right. Appreciate you. Talk to you later.